Infiniti SUV.
You got a tag?
That's the tag I gave you. So Addison Road South going towards Ronald.
Copy. We put dispatches. I don't know what tag you gave us, unfortunately. 28, I got eyes on that car. Addison Road South going down towards, we have 999.
It looked like it just lined out.
Where was the 9?
Got somebody running, bailing out. Where you at, Ronald Road? Ronald Road and Addison Road South. Start fireboard.
Ronald Road and Addison Road South.
You out? Okay, are you okay? You okay? I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh my God. Okay, 9 down. Here we go. One in custody.
I got her. I got eyes on that car. Addison Road South going down towards, we got 999.
Blog post today that his exchange is working with regulators.
No, I don't know. Get this car. Man, get up. Here. Hey, he's running. Get the f*** on the ground. Get the f*** on the ground. I will f***ing take you. Get the f*** on the ground. Get your hands on your back. Get on the ground.
We put dispatches. I don't know what tag you gave us, unfortunately. 28, I got eyes on that car. Addison Road South going down towards, we have 999. Look like you just signed out. Where was the 9?
His exchange is working with regulators.
Is he in there?
To offer 24-hour trading Monday through Friday.
Hey, he's running. Where is he? Where? Get the f*** on the ground. Don't you move. Get the f*** on the ground. Get the f*** on the ground. Don't you move. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. I got it. Stay on the ground. Hey, check on the old lady in that car. Don't move. Back. Stop moving. I ain't moving. I got him. Go check that old lady. 32, we got him. One in custody. Checking on the vehicles. And you can call my call out. 300.
1828, where are you? I'm doing it. 28, I got one in custody. 1828.
Yeah. What's up with her? Where's the car?
Can I give you a signal? Hold on.
Huh?
One trap. Okay. Okay. Is that the kid or is that another one? Alright, 28. I need to come out. We need to block Ronald and Addison Road South. And looks like the other side blocked off. We have